Imagine for a moment that you just hopped in your car and you're heading to arguably the happiest place on earth, Disney World. Now, you've driven to Disney numerous times before, but suddenly the road you normally take is blocked and you're forced to search for another path. Unfortunately, your cell phone is dead and you don't have a car charger, so no Google, no Siri. And as you contemplate on which road to take, the reoccurring thought in your mind is, I could do this if only I had a map. Well, you aren't alone in this thought. In fact, numerous oncologists harbor the same sentiment as their patients return to them because their cancer got worse. What started out as a primary tumor in an organ like the lungs has now mobilized or metastasized to an organ like the brain. And since we know metastasis is responsible for 90% of deaths caused by cancer, it is at that junction that oncologists rely heavily on accurate research to help guide them to and through unknown paths that lead to killing mobilized cancer cells. My name is Jordan Cockfield, and I'm a basic cancer research scientist in training. But for a moment, you can think of me as a map maker. Now, in order to understand my map, you have to know this one thing. Mobilized cells are supposed to die. And although there are some mobilized cancer cells that have found ways to cheat death, there are other mobilized cancer cells that don't have this ability. So my focus is on understanding exactly how that second group of mobilized cancer cells are dying, so that with that knowledge could come possible insight into making that first group of cancer cells play by death's rules. But before we get there, we must first know what exact processes are involved that are actually killing mobilized cancer cells. So when you take a look at my map, what you'll see is a layout of a cell death process in mobilized cancer cells that involves them overeating their mitochondria, which you all know is the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria are eaten in a special compartment that you can think of as the cell's stomach. And while they're being eaten, damaging chemicals are being released, and they poke holes in the cell's stomach. And out of those holes flows a special group of proteins that spread across the entire cell. We believe it is that special group of proteins that are responsible for killing mobilized cancer cells. So taken together, the significance of this knowledge is truly the possibility to guide oncologists to and through an unknown cell death pathway that ultimately kills mobilized cancer cells. So if you allow me to join you back down your road to Disney, I would like to leave you with this insight that I would leave any oncologist, and that is, in order to know where you're going, you not only need to know where you've been, but you also need a map. Thank you.
All right, Jordan, so we all have different talents. And according to my notes here, one of your talents is singing.
In the shower. Yes.
We'll go with that. What is your go-to song?
My go-to song, so I don't follow the band, don't judge me, but it's What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction.
Okay.
Yes.
So I've got a couple of young sons at home. Mm-hmm. One Direction, a little bit after my time.
Yes.
You want to sing a few bars for us?
Oh, I could do a little something. Don't look at me.
I won't look at you. Look at that.
All right, I'm just gonna sing the chorus here. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful.